Okay, so let us do the same three tables joining by using a using clause. Okay, so here we have a same column name in all three tables. Let me show you. Let me execute this. So we are doing the same task but by using a using clause. Okay, so we got three tables here and the column names for the three are same. For example, you can see orders table order number and the order details table order number is exactly same. So now we have seen how to do that by doing a aliasing and by using a equal to operator, but you can do that same by using a using operator. So I have just copy pasted it. Now let me do the by using operator. So for that, inner join, let me remove this or aliasing. Let me remove this aliasing. No need of that because we are referring the same column here. Let me remove this all. I want these all column names. I am removing the aliasing. Okay, so here from the orders table, inner join the order details. Instead of using on, I'm using clause, and you specify the column name. So the column name is, let me, yeah, order number. Let me close this. So this will take care of joining the orders table with the order details table, and the matching column is your orders number. Similarly, remove this on. So instead of that, you can use using clause. And what is the matching column between the product table and the order details table? The matching column is your product code. So using the product code. Yes, let me execute this now. Yeah, so you can see you got a same output by using on using clause, or you can use by on also. You get a same. So if we have a same column names, I suggest you to go with the using clause. It makes very simple. It, it makes your code very simple. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.